this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, make sure you click that subscribe button and then the bell, and then you'll be the first to be notified when my videos come up. So today's video is I am selling a premium Christmas card kit. And what a kit is that you receive all of the items here to put the cards together. They're not assembled. So this is a premium because we are using red velvet, silver foil, black glitter, balmy blue glitter, green and red foil, gold foil, and the plush poinsettia. We are also, every card has one of these beaded pearl embellishments on it. And these are all cut from the poinsettia dies. Now, when you sell a card kit, you can't sell anything that's stamped. It all has to be die cut. So all of these things are die cut. There's even a little embossing on this one with the Winter Snowflake embossing folder. So these are a kit. You get 2 card kits per card. So you get a total of 6 cards to make. And they all have insides in them. And the price of this card kit, and it's a premium because all those papers, the cost on just making one of these for me is like $4 or $5. So the kit is $30. You get 6 of these cards to make. And if I need to ship it, it's $8.30 to ship it. And that's the UPS flat rate shipping with tracking numbers and all that. So it's $30 plus the shipping. And if you're interested in one of these kits, put in the comments that you want a kit and leave your email address. I can't talk to you unless you leave your email. I can reply unless you just happen to be looking at your at that particular post. You won't get a notification. So leave me your email. Say I want to buy a kit, and I'll get all your information offline. So and then if you want to buy just a card, if you just want to buy any of these cards, totally made, all put together, they're $6 each. And that's because it's a premium card kit. There's really not a lot of cheap stuff on here at all. The bases are, but that's it. And that'll do it. So if you're interested, please put it in the comment. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got other videos. If you're a new subscriber, you can win the demo card. So that's always good. There is no demo card giveaway, but if you go back on my other ones, and if you're fairly new and leave your email address, I'll give you that card if I still have it. And because I have a few and I might be having to do a video on that. So anyway, that'll do it. Thanks. Bye.